Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down, almost all the way, because we have to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So here we've got the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it's 53 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, then the camera. Here we've got also unlocks and notifications count. So in order to check some further details, you have to simply tap inside the graph, and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them. Under it, you've got also the list of apps which you've been using with specific time you've spent on them. Moreover, you can tap on the app, for example the camera, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is connected with this one app. Moreover, we've got some ways to disconnect, and let me simply explain maybe app timers. Others work pretty similar. So for example, let's open it. Here we've got the list of installed apps, and if you will decide that you're spending too much time on the specific app, simply find it in the list and tap on this hourglass icon. Now we can set the timer. So for example, if I will set it for 30 minutes, it means that I can use the app for 30 minutes during a day. And after 30 minutes it will be blocked, and the timer will reset at midnight, and tomorrow I will again be able to use it for 30 minutes. We can also set it for 0 minutes. Tap on OK, and as you can see, the camera is right now grayed out, and after attempting to open it, our device will show us this pop-out window with the information that the timer ran out. So obviously it is not the perfect solution, but I think that it might help us with limiting the time we're spending on the specific app, because obviously we can quickly turn off this option just by going to settings and tapping on this trash bin icon here to remove the timer, but still I think that it could help us with limiting the time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.